Hi Purple Group, Mrs. Taylor here. It's Maths Week 12 and it's Lesson 1 and our learning objective is using next, before and after, and this is a revision session. Look at this picture. It shows two men. One of them is in the background and he's holding a banana behind his back, and the other man is falling over and all the papers he was carrying are flying up in the air. What has he slipped on? It looks like he slipped on another banana skin. So what could have happened before this picture? Well, the man throwing the paper in the air and falling over, he might have just been walking along, not noticing that he was about to slip on a banana skin. What could have happened after? Well, I'd like to think that the man in the background, he might have gone over and helped the man to get back up again. Maybe he helped him to sort out all his papers that were all over the place. Notice how I use the words before and after. Look at these pictures. They show a boy doing different things. It shows him at bath time. It shows him brushing his teeth. And it shows him having breakfast. The question says, which of these usually happens before school? Well, I'm not sure that there would be time for him to have a bath, but I would like to think he would brush his teeth and he would have his breakfast before school. How about you? Have a look at these pictures now. So we can see there's a mouse with a piece of cheese. And then if you follow the arrow, it shows that same mouse with that same piece of cheese a bit later on. So can we use the words before and after to describe the pictures below? We could say something like, the mouse has a big piece of cheese before, then he starts to eat it, and after he's finished eating it, he's made a big hole in it to look through. You have a turn. These pictures show a girl called Danielle and how she gets ready for school. We're going to try and use some special time words to help us to describe how she gets ready for school. The words are next, earlier, later, before, after, first, and last. Now I'd like you to pause the video and, with an adult's help, I want you to talk about Danielle's day, trying to use as many of these special words as possible. Look at these pictures. They show what you should do when you need to wash your hands. We can describe what we do using the words first, then, and finally. If we were to draw a line from each label to the correct picture, which label would belong to which picture? Once we work that out, we can use the label to describe the pictures. I'm going to give you a few moments to do this. I want you to pause the video again, and I want you to talk through how you would wash your hands using those three words. Now try with these pictures. These are pictures drawn by a girl called Faith. Faith is drawing a picture use the words first, then, and finally to describe her drawing. Pause the video and have a go. Complete the sentence using one of the words below. Write all possible answers, and that means that there might be 2 words we could possibly use. One of the words won't work. So the sentence is, I brush my teeth, I put my pajamas on. And in that gap, we need to use before, then, or first. Which 2 out of those 3 words would make sense? Well, we could say, I brush my teeth before I put my pajamas on. We could also say, I brush my teeth, then I put my pajamas on. I brush my teeth, first I put my pajamas on doesn't quite make sense in one sentence. Finally, look at this picture. It shows a pirate ship and it shows some pirates ready to get on board the ship. Ben is saying the tallest pirate will be on the ship before the smallest. Is Ben correct? And how do you know? Well, Ben is not correct. Ben is wrong. And the reason we know that is because if you look at the pirates and you look at the order in which they are standing, you can see that the tallest pirate is last in the queue. So the girl pirate will be first and the tallest pirate will be last. Now it's your turn to have a go at your own activities on paper to do with next, before and after, and maybe some other words too. Have fun and see you soon.